The HP EliteBook 840 G9 laptop is overcome hybrid work. This enterprise business laptop brings new conferencing capabilities driven by HP presence, productivity, and security that are easily managed in a hybrid work environment. A brief overview of HP EliteBook 840 G9 laptop specifications and features. HP EliteBook 840 G9 is using Intel Core i7-1280p processor. This processor clocks speed up to 3.6 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology, and it has 24 MB L3 cache, 14 cores. And this model is available alternate more processor. This laptop used Intel Iris Z graphics. This model display is 14 inches diagonal Wuxka LED UV anti-glare for webcam, 1920 by 1200, 250 nits. And this model is available alternate more display. This model dimensions and weight is: height, 0.76 inches. Width, 12.42 inches. Depth, 8.82 inches. This product keyboard is ClickPad backlit spill resistant premium privacy keyboard. HP EliteBook 840 G9 comes with 256 GB or 512 GB PCI NVMe SSD and it's up to 2 TB NVMe TLC SSD of storage space. And this model is available alternate more storage space. And it has 8 GB or 16 GB DDR5 4800 SDIMM RAM and it's up to 64 GB RAM. And this product used Intel AX211 Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 combo, non-vPro. This laptop weighs are starting at 2.99 pounds. And this model comes with Windows 11 Home, and Windows 11 Pro. This laptop right side 1 super speed USB Type-A 5 gigabits per second signaling rate, audio jack, 3.5mm combo jack. And SD card reader. And left side has 2 Thunderbolt 4 with USB 4 Type-C 40 gigabits per second signaling rate, USB power delivery, DisplayPort 1.4, 1 super speed USB Type-A 5 gigabits per second signaling rate. And 1 HDMI 2.0, and smart card reader slot. This product webcam is dual array microphone infrared, IR, 5MP camera. This model used audio by Bang & Olufsen, dual stereo speakers, dual array world-facing microphones. This model fingerprint reader available. HP EliteBook 840 G9 used 65 watt NPFC USB-C straight AC adapter for charging. This model has included long life 51 WHR fast charge 3-cell battery. Thank you. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe to our channel and bell icon on for notification of the next video.